Good evening, everyone. This is my assignment from web development. Firstly, we have here the HTML structure, the dev. What it basically does is the emoji picker, this one, it holds several buttons with an emoji nga kanisila, the emoji buttons. Next is the grid, emoji grid. It is the container where ang JavaScript nga itong istoryahan. Later on, we will which mo ay magamit sa JavaScript nga maka-generate og 6 by 6 nga reaction grid, which it means nga 36 clickable cells tanan, and also the link of the JavaScript. So next is the CSS, the styling. Firstly, we have here the emoji button. So it actually makes the emoji buttons big, clickable, and also visually, what do you call that? Visually distinct. And next one is the grid. It uses CSS grid to arrange cells in a 6-column layout. Next is the cell. So each cell, each grid square has a fixed size, a border, and a hover effect. As you can see here, butang taog transition. The hover effect. And lastly is the emoji button selected. That selected rather. So meaning ani is it highlights the currently selected emoji button with a border and a background. So the output of these codes, the block of codes are all of the cells are white squares. So hovering over the cell gives you a light gray background, as you can see. So next is clicking an emoji button like that highlights it with a blue border helping, which helps the users to know nga unsa nga emoji ang active. So diri na siya na apply, this one. So next is sa JavaScript. So we have here the one. It basically stores the emoji where the user clicks. So diri mo store ang emoji if ever mo click ang user. So this also ensures nga only one emoji can be selected at a time. As you can see here, dapat isa ra gyud ang iyahang pilian nga emoji. So clicking the same here, clicking the same emoji again deselects the emoji nga imuhang nabutang sa cell. The toggle behavior. It highlights the emoji with the selected class. So the output of this is when you click example, we click here, it becomes highlighted, and the selected emoji here is set to heart, meaning where nara diri sab ang if ever mo tuplok ang user og heart. If ever you click it again, it deselects and the selected emoji becomes null. This statement. So next is this block of codes. So from what I have said ganiha sa start nga about ani, diri na mag-create ang JavaScript og 36 clickable nga cells, or what I have said nga 6 by 6 nga cells. This one. So here we add an event listener to each cell. So if ever an emoji is selected, clicking the cell, if you ever click the cell, it places the emoji inside it. So if ever the cell already has the same emoji, clicking removes it. I mean, katong the toggle effect. This one mo remove siya sa cell. So the output in this is silbi kanigyapon. You click a cell and the selected emoji appears, which is diri na apply. This one. And if you click the same cell again, it disappears. Diri na siya na-apply. There. So actually, you can fill multiple cells with different emojis as you go. And like that. And basically, you can just fill them up if ever you don't like it. Nga you don't like the emoji nga nabutang dito sa cell, you can just click it again and erase and make a new emoji. So so when the web page loads, as you can see, emoji buttons at the top and the grid of empty cells below. So let's launch natin eh. So selecting an emoji highlights it, and basically na-explain na ako to tanan, and that's all. Thank you very much, and good evening once again.